Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be picking up longest common prefix problem. So this is also one of the common problem that is asked, and there are multiple ways to do it. And today we'll be talking about, I'll say, not the most optimal way but a suboptimal way. We can talk about the optimal way later. Before moving ahead, I want to clear two things. First of all, I'll be solving more of easy problems before I move to medium or hard, because it's more about I'm making these videos for the first time and I want to be more confident when I move to the medium and the hard problems. And second of all, I'll be making these videos more into an interview perspective, like how I'll be giving my interview, and if these questions is asked to me, if these questions are asked to me, how I'll be presenting it to the interviewer. So it will be in more of that perspective rather than the okay, this is a tutorial or anything. So yeah, let's move ahead with the problem statement. So what this problem says, write a function to find the longest common prefix string amongst an array of strings. If there is no common prefix, return an empty string. Okay, so first of all, prefix is more of start, right? So for the prefix, if we join all these strings, like if you try to find the prefix of all this string, so it will be fl. So it will be more of key, we have f, then we have l, and then uh, we will have okay, I'll do it like this. mm, o. By the way, we have two o's, so we can do it like this. Damn it, I have to do it from here. Yeah, this will be I, this will be W, this will be G, this will be H, this will be T. By the way, I don't draw anything like this in my interviews. This is for just more of common explanation type. I think I need to take by my term key, and this is not a tutorial. Anyways, so we can see the F and L are the common substring, following which we can get the rest of the strings. So as you can see, this structure can seem of more of trees, and yes, this question can also be solved using try, but I will not be doing it today. I'll be using hash map for this one. So I'll make a video, another video regarding the same, like how we can do it with the try, because if I go into the entire explanation, this video can go really long. So let's go with the suboptimal way. And yes, this is also a commonly asked question, but there can be multiple varieties for it, and it can go to the medium subset of problems or the hard ones as well, depending on like how it is modified by your interviewer. So what I do if I'm using the hash map is, as I said, key f and l are the common prefix for this one. So if I'm iterating over the string, so first of all I'll take word as flower, right? So if I iterate over the word, as I suggested before, what is hash map? Hash map is a data structure that helps us to store the values in a key value structure, where keys are always supposed to be unique and their values can differ. So you can't have uh, like 1 as a key and its value is 3, and there cannot be another key as a 1 with the value 4. So one of these will be overridden. So first, if you have 1 equals to 3 as a value in your hash map, and if you try to change the value of 1 to 4, actually try to add it, it will not get added. Instead of the previous one will get updated to 4 instead of 3. So always keep in mind, keep the keys as unique, not the values can differ. So that's what I'm going to do here. So if I'm going over this word like flower, what can I do to keep the track of the prefix? Like what can I do to keep the track of the common starting point of the string, like of this common substring of this string, that will help me to build the another strings. So yeah, what I will do is I will take an empty string, right? And whenever I'm iterating over the word, I'll just add it to the my empty string, and then what I'll do is uh, I'll check if my s is in my hash map, then I'll just add 1 to it, else I'll just add it as an entry. So first, when it is moving along the flower, what it will do is it will check if f, for I in word, if f, like I will be the first element right now, so it will be f. If f is in my hash map, then it will add its increment its value. If it is not there, it will just like make it as an entry in my hash map with the value of 1. So f will be the key and 1 will be the its value. Then moving along, we'll get L as my next element. So I'll add it in my string. So it will become FL, and it will do the same. If the FL is present in my hash map, then it will increment its value by 1. If it is not there, then it will just make it as an entry and put the value as 1 over there. And similarly, if we go with the flow, oh nice. Anyways, yeah, if we go with the flow, it will first check with the F, then FL, then FLO, then FLOW, and similar for the flight. And in the end, we will get a hash map which will look more like this. F will have value 3, FL will also have value 3, FLO will have value 2, FLI will have value 1, and so on. So over here we will get hash map like this, right? And then what we need to do is we need to iterate over this like hash map, and we need to check for whichever the key, if value of key is equals to length of our strings array, then we need to check key. First of all, oh yeah, I need to have a variable mx. So for this I have to check if length of mx is less than length of key, then I will update my mx as a key, and in the end I will just return mx. So to terminate this one, I can also do if value of key like we should not do this. Yeah, we don't know, because in the hash map the elements can be stored as a sorted form. Yeah, so yeah, let's leave this. So this will be the pseudocode. Got it? So yeah, we'll be iterating over the each of the word, adding it to the string, and then adding it to the hash map. If that particular string is in the hash map already, then we will increment its value by 1. If it is not there, we will just make it as a new entry. So if I make it as a code, like proper code, what I'll do is yeah, remove this as well. Yeah. So for words in my strings array, I will have a temp string which will be an empty string, and then I will iterate over my word. Okay, so s plus equals to word, right? If s in my is in my hash map, then I will increment its value by 1, else I will just keep it as 1. So one thing I can also do is to keep it short and simple, I can just remove this part. Hm of s equals to hm dot get s or 0, damn, 0 plus 1. This works, right? Yeah, I just need to check if this syntax is correct. So I'll do it like this, and then let's see. Is, oh damn, sorry, temp. Please don't make these kinds of mistake in the interview. This is not right. Tuple not int, sorry. Key type, I can only concatenate tuple, not just int. Okay, then it should be or. Yep. So F3, flow2, FLI1, FLO2, FL flower, FL3. Yep, we needed this one only. Okay. Then, so I got this hash map with me, right? Now what I need to do, I will just go like this for key value in hm.items. Yeah, if val is equals to I need a length of my strings, so I'll keep it like this. And if val is equals to n, I also need my res string. If val is equals to n, right? If length of res is less than length of key, then we will just do res of we'll store the key value in my result, and then I need to return my result. Okay, now let's see how it goes. Yep, both of the test cases are passing, and I'll submit it. Yep, 26 millisecond, beat 6.47%. Yes, because we for this the time complexity will go actually for, yeah, so for this part only the time complexity will be I will be writing over, yeah, big of n into m, n being the length of strings and m being the length of each word. So m is different obviously, but we will take as generally m being the length of the largest of the strings inside the strings array, right? And this part as well, it will be taking time complexity of big O of, I want to say n only, but it can be more because each of the words will be making a different. So let's say if each of the word is different in the worst case scenario, so it will be length of first element plus second element, right? Like if all the words are of different a b c d e f g h g h I j k l, like that, so this can be more, yeah. Apart from this is like correct implementation if you are using hash map, and yes, as I suggested earlier, this can also be done through try. So I'll make another video regarding this in using the try, and for that I'll be also be sharing the time complexity and space complexity. Till then, if you like my videos, please like and subscribe to my channel, and also please share it with your friends. Thank you. Bye. Good night.